Once, the world changed with steam.
Coal burned, engines roared, railways connected nations, but at a cost. We powered progress and polluted the future. Then came electric trains, cleaner, smarter, but still powered by fossil fuels. So tell me, is it really green? And electric vehicles? Are they truly clean when they are powered by electricity dependent on fossil fuels? What if the answer was already moving? Every passing train generates powerful wind energy, wasted every single second. Until now. Introducing Rail Wind Technology 2.0. Capturing wind from moving trains, converting motion into clean electricity, using the infrastructure we already have. No fossil fuel, no emissions, no compromise. Just pure, renewable energy. From steam to wind energy harvesting to a sustainable future. Unicorn Brothers, Rail Wind Technology 2.0, the missing link in real green energy. Join the revolution.